Good morning, everyone. I take this opportunity to welcome each one of you to the valedictory function of Vinyan Sarvatra Pujyate, a festival of scope for all. This is an immensely exciting morning for our institute. The actively growing participation of students from different colleges and schools affirms the relevance and meaningfulness of this celebration. The fest was a synergy of the youth creativity and talent quotient. All in all, it was an interesting, fun-filled event gelled with cerebral grilling and creative palette. I hope you enjoyed our week program at our campus. Let's start this event by the word of prayer. I now call upon the Vice Principal of our college, Dr. G.C. Abraham, to lead us in prayer.
Essay writing English, T.S. Januvi, Velamal Vidyalaya, Virahanur, Madurai. First prize goes to T.S. Januvi, Velamal Vidyalaya, Virahanur, Madurai. Second prize goes to Magil Gabriel of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Narimedu, Madurai. And third prize goes to B.D. Harini of Royal Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School, Madurai. Poem writing Tamil. The first prize goes to S. Taslim Fatima of Nirmala Girls Higher Secondary School, Madurai. She's not here. The second prize goes to R. Sarmita of Mahatma Metric Higher Secondary School, KK Nahar. For Arul Malar Metric Higher Secondary School, Madurai holds the third prize. Slogan writing Tamil. B. Geetika of Mahatma Metric Higher Secondary School, KK Nahar, Madurai holds the first prize. V. Selvi of Nirmala Girls Higher Secondary School, Madurai holds the second prize. D. Jayashree of Royal Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School, Madurai holds the third prize. Slogan writing English. J. Shreya of Mahatma Metric Higher Secondary School, KK Nahar, Madurai holds the first prize. M. Lakshmi Shankari of Lakshmi Metric Higher Secondary School, Madurai holds the second prize. R. Logesh Parik of Velamal Vidyalaya, Virahanur, Madurai holds the third prize. In the quiz, K.S. Parajis Ram and Sri Nikitan of Mahatma Global Gateway, Madurai holds the first prize. K. Kavi Selven and R. Bharati Shankar of Velamal Vidyalaya, Virahanur, Madurai holds the second prize. M. Shubhiksha and M. Kitis of Royal Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School, Madurai holds the third prize. M. Shubhiksha and M. Kitis of Royal Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School. So in the poster making, the first prize goes to S.A. Raghav Vikram, J. K7 of Royal Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School, Madurai. And second prize goes to M.A. Arunjadan and G. Rakeshwaran of Velamal Vidyalaya, Viraganur, Madurai. And third prize goes to Sudiksha and Ritik Haria of Mahatma Metric Higher Secondary School, Madurai. So in drawing, K. Preeti Kannan of Mahatma Global Gateway, Madurai wins the first prize. D. Sharikesh of Velamal Vidyalaya, Viraganur, Madurai holds the second prize. R. N. Ritesh of Velamal Vidyalaya, Viraganur, Madurai holds the third prize. In Rangoli, G. Durga Devi and G. Sivadarshini of Royal Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School, Madurai holds the first prize. And the second prize goes to S. Reshma and Sri Harani of Mahatma Metric Higher Secondary School, KK Nagar, Madurai. And third prize goes to A. Agent Femina and TP Sahi Sara of Velamal Vidyalaya, Viraganur, Madurai.